Today I am upgrading my power wall. The cells are testing here with the 600 watt charge and discharge, and we can test the cell which getting over temperature, I mean very hot, that we take out and we select the good cell. That test take almost 1 week, charge, discharge, full test here, the temperature. Okay, and now this is my old module. Cells are fully tested and very good cells. What I'm doing right now, adding more pairs, that one. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to add that cells and again spot welding. Once the cell is added, so the length will be like that. Okay, it's good. And one thing more, I not yet make the bus bars. Okay, for the cells I not yet make the bus bar because I'm keep upgrading them. So for the bus bar, what we are going to do, we will keep here some over length of our this strip, and we use the nut and bolt to series with each other. Okay, so let continue upgrading, and after that, when it's done, I show you. Okay, here is when I'm adding the more cells. So if you notice, here is that locks. Okay, so this module will go fit here, and this we take out first. Okay, now we have to insert this one. Nicely. So it is nicely inserted. So the second, if you notice, to the locks is here, and then we have to just follow the lock position. Okay, like that, and then we have to gently that press and set like that. Okay, the cells now is completely add ready. So this is like a 5 cell and then 21 cells. So this is 5 times 21, 105 cell in each module. You must use this kind of shield, is more better, or safety glasses. Okay, don't do without that safety because it's very danger. If the spark is splash in your eye, you will get a very big problem. So safety first. If you make the battery pack of 18650 lithium ion cells in a mixed cells configuration, so I always recommend them to parallel first for overnight minimum. That is, my cell is a 7S and 105P I'm using with the mixed capacity, and now it is top balance for overnight. And now I will deattach that all modules, and we will check the individual cell voltage, and after that it will be ready for the battery pack. Finally, we test the individual voltage: 3.75, 3.75, 3.75, 3.75, 3.75, 3.75, and here is the last one, 3.75. Perfectly balanced all in overnight. All cells are installed in the wooden box. Okay, that space for ventilation, the active balancer inside, BMS here, all is completely sealed in the wooden box, and it will be ready to install. Here is the positive and here is the negative. Okay, finally installation incomplete. Battery inside in this box, very heavy, cannot lift by one person.